total cost is equivalent to TFC plus TVC. TFC stands for total fixed cost. TVC stands for total variable cost. Because case study करना पड़ेगा, compulsory है. So case study में you have to remember this formula. So total cost is equivalent to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. We have to draw this diagram. I may require a plain slide. Let me see. Either a plain slide. Draw the diagram along with me. X-axis output, Y-axis cost. Diagram draw करो मेरे साथ. सबसे important है total fixed cost. How to draw that? Look, total fixed cost is a horizontal straight line. Total fixed cost is a horizontal straight line. What is the reason, children? It will not change with the output. Total fixed cost will not, boys, draw the diagram. अभी घर में नहीं है, college में हूँ. Okay, total fixed cost is a horizontal straight line. सामने लिखो. TFC will not change with the output. Bracket में लिखो TFC will not change with the output. TFC will not change with the output. अभी TVC का क्या स्पेशलिटी है चिल्ड्रन? TVC changes with the output. याद है या नहीं? When the output is 0, TVC is dash. TVC is, girls are not remembering. When the output is 0, TVC is dash. ऐसा आवाज आना चाहिए, दो जिनका ही आवाज आता है. When the output is 0, TVC is 0. अभी आया आवाज, because answer मिल गया. Okay, draw the diagram. TVC 0 means it will start from here. देखो. सामने लिखो. TVC changes with the output. उधर लिख कर रखो. TVC changes with the output. TVC changes with the output. Give me 1 minute time. One minute, I'm getting an urgent mail. Give me 1 minute time. Okay. Now, what did you write? TVC changes with the output. बराबर. अभी TC किधर से draw करेगा? I will not draw. You have to apply your common sense and logic. I'm giving you two options. TC is equivalent to, side में किधर भी देखो. TC is equivalent to, क्या formula है? मैडम आप कब बोला, हम सुना ही नहीं है. TC is equivalent to TVC plus TFC or TFC plus TVC. Perfect. ये situation में TC हम किधर से draw करेगा? Will we draw from O or will we draw from F? F. It should be from F. मैडम O से draw करने पर क्या होगा? Suppose that you are drawing TVC from O, that is O is the origin. Either, hello? Yeah. The TV, suppose that we are drawing TVC from origin. कोई भी नया एडमिशन नहीं है, अभी तो 15 दिन हो गया ना, सेम लोगों को देखकर बोर हो जाएगा. Okay, now listen here. Suppose you are drawing TVC from the origin. What does it mean? TFC is 0. आपने TC 0 से ड्रॉ करने पर उसका मतलब है TFC total fixed cost is 0, and you are aware that TFC cannot be 0. TFC has to be positive. TFC can never be 0. So हमारा देखो TFC किधर, TC किधर से start होगा? See how I am drawing. It will start from here. This is TC. Draw that. Be very careful. इधर उधर देखकर टाइम पास करने का नहीं. TC will not start from origin. अभी पूछेगा मैं. Total cost. Total cost दोनों ना, fixed and variable. दोनों TC में included है. For example, you take the case of this table. A table का cost, I am telling you, total cost of the table is 4,000 rupees. That is total cost. सुना से हो? Total cost of the table is 4,000. इसमें fixed भी है, variable भी है. I am paying 800 rupees to the carpenter. That is an example of variable cost. I am purchasing the raw material worth say 1,000 rupees. That is also variable cost. Then I am having a gala. एक room है ये डालकर बनाने के लिए. That is an example of fixed cost. ये दोनों में ऐड करने पर, मेरा प्रॉफिट भी ऐड करने पर, whatever I am getting, that is the total cost. Okay. So the girls who have come late, we are drawing the diagram of total cost. Total cost का the formula देखो, TFC plus TVC. Yes. So what's happening is TFC is a horizontal straight line. नीचे लिखो, फटाफट लिखो. TFC is a horizontal straight line. हमको अभी केस स्टडी चालू करना पड़ेगा. आप लोग लिखना ही भूल गया. सबको थोड़ा प्राइमरी क्लास में भेजना पड़ेगा एक हफ्ते के लिए. TFC is a horizontal straight line. It cannot be 0. It cannot be 0. Point number 1. That is the first point. रोज लिखता है लेकिन घर में जाकर I don't think you are ever opening the book. You have to open the book. अभी हमारा ऑनलाइन का टाइम गया. Okay. TFC is a horizontal straight line. If while you are sitting in the class, why are you looking at the mobile? And teaching here, no. Look here. Second point is TVC is upward sloping. Ligo. TVC, total variable cost, is upward sloping. 3 hour का एग्जाम लिखने के लिए बोलने पर आप लोग बेहोश हो जाएगा. MCQ लिखकर आदत हो गया. TVC, total variable cost, is upward sloping. It starts from origin. देखो उधर. It starts. This is origin. ये देखो. It starts from origin. Origin मतलब that 0. It starts from origin. It changes with output. It changes with output. It changes with output. Change the para. TC is equal to formula लिखो. TC is equal to अपने आप लिखो. TFC plus TVC. Perfect. TC is equivalent to TFC plus TVC. उधर लिखा है देखो. TC cannot start from origin. TC cannot start from origin. TC cannot start from origin because because fixed cost cannot be zero. That is the reason. Fixed cost cannot be zero. Fixed cost cannot be zero. ZDRO. Fixed cost cannot be zero. Therefore, TC starts from F. Diagram में F किधर है देखो. TC starts from F. Look here. Now, TC starts from F. Because this is very very important to calculate the case study में आपको cost calculate करना पड़ेगा. अभी one more, this I am rubbing off because I hope you have taken down this. Write this formula again because we have to calculate. TC is equivalent to TFC plus TVC. Therefore, TFC is equivalent to TC is equivalent to TFC plus TVC. Therefore, TFC is equivalent to TC minus TVC. 12th standard में एग्जाम ही नहीं हो गया, वो एक दुनिया में सब लोग गया, दूसरा दुनिया में है. TFC is equivalent to TC minus TVC. नीचे लिखो TVC is equivalent to, वो अपने आप लिखना पड़ेगा. TVC is equivalent to TC minus TFC. Perfect. Calculate करना पड़ेगा. The same diagram is here. Now we are starting with average. Average fixed cost. Give the heading. Average fixed cost. It is known as AFC. Average fixed cost. Average fixed cost, AFC. Average fixed cost is AFC. First and foremost, AFC का formula लिखो. उधर दिया है देखो. You can write capital Q, no problem. AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q. कोई बुक में N भी देता है, both are same. TFC upon Q और TFC upon N, both are same. Average fixed cost is equivalent to total fixed cost divided by Q. Q is quantity of output. Q means quantity of output. Alice in the Wonderland के जैसा बैठने का नहीं. Q is equivalent to quantity of output. Suppose आपका बुक में N दिया है, फिर N क्या है? Number of unit of output. N for Nagpur. N देने पर क्या लिखेगा? Number of unit of output. आराम से लिखो. Speed कम हो गया है, पिकअप होगा. Number of unit of output. लिखा या नहीं? लिखता है. Number of unit of output उधर नहीं है. So AFC is equivalent to TFC upon N. अभी you can draw the diagram. I will put the strip up. AFC कैसा है देखो आप. AFC is downward sloping. देखो. AFC is downward sloping. Draw the diagram. उधर लिखा है AFC continuously decreases when the output increases. Diagram draw करो like a normal demand curve. इधर एक क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, उसका आंसर चाहिए. This is very 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 important. AFC is downward sloping. आराम से draw करो. We are not in a hurry. We can finish the portion. One more module is pending. That's the only issue. That module is a highly complicated module. देख सकते हैं शिव. अभी देखो, I am just using this. Either I'm going to ask you something. I'm not naming it. आपको name करना पड़ेगा. Okay, first diagram one side. Perfect. First diagram is TFC. You are right. Second diagram is AFC. Both will be right. The question is why the first TFC is horizontal straight line? Why AFC is downward sloping? The children who will be giving CPT, CA entrance, vagera, you should be very thorough in all these areas. Why TFC is horizontal straight line and AFC is downward sloping? AFC, I told you average है, don't get afraid. Suppose that आपका class में 120 student है. Okay, I brought 120 chocolate. Okay, so average is 1. 120 divided by 120. Total divided by the number. That is average. So average is equivalent to TFC divided by N. अब एक काम करो, ये table लिखो, मेरे साथ लिखो. First is units. First is unit, TFC, AFC. We will calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4. आपको इतना ही देगा, रिमाइनिंग आपको करना पड़ेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4 देगा, TFC एक जगह में देगा 100. बाकी सब कुछ आपको करना पड़ेगा. TFC एक जगह में 100 देने पर नीचे क्या लिखेगा आप लोग? What will be 2, 3, 4 में TFC कितने होगा my dear children? 100 ही होगा, because it is same horizontal straight line. एग्जाम में एक ही जगह में होगा. मैडम TFC दिया ही नहीं, मैं ढूंढता था, पूरा जिंदगी ढूंढने पर भी नहीं मिलेगा. Because 100 दिया है, सब जगह में लिखो 100, 100, 100. Why everywhere 100? Because AFC is horizontal. It is same. Output will change, but TFC will be the same. Total fixed cost is same. 100 देने पर क्या करना पड़ेगा? टेबल में नीचे 100 डालना पड़ेगा. और इसको समझ में आया? AFC कैसा फाइंड आउट करेगा? फॉर्मूला क्या है? TFC अपॉन यूनिट. 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 1. देखो 100 कंप्लीट करो. 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 मिला. नीचे क्या लिखेगा? 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कितना मिला? 50. 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. परफेक्ट. 33.33 something. 100 divided by 4. उधर क्यों देखते हैं? अपने आप करो. नहीं आने पर पूछो, मैंने और एक बार एक्सप्लेन करो. 100 divided by 1. ये देखो. 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 3. 100 divided by 4. AFC. TFC upon N. N is that 1, 2, 3, 4. अभी आप देखो AFC देखो 100, 50, 33, 25 क्या होता है? डिक्रीजिंग. डिक्रीजिंग. इसलिए AFC is downward sloping. इसलिए AFC is downward sloping. समझ में आया अभी? हाँ, अभी क्लियर हो गया. I'm rubbing this because we have to use it again and again. एक ही blank slide है. So this is AFC. Now, what is average variable cost? I will come back here. Average variable cost is equivalent to TVC upon Q. Yeah, total variable cost divided by quantity. NB लिख सकते हैं, I told you, no problem. TVC divided by Q on N. That is ABC. अभी इधर से average variable cost, average cost, marginal cost, everything is same shape. ये देखो. English में, sorry, not English. Economics में, this is here. We are marking output, y-axis cost. AFC is U shape. ये देखो, ABC is U shape. This is known as U shape. आपको मालूम है वो देखने पर U के जैसा दिखता है, U shape. ABC is U shape. It's very, very, very important. That much important is this area. If you get a job, you have to remember. ऐसा time pass में नहीं. Average variable cost is U shape. U shape का speciality क्या है? अभी जब कोविड था ना, पेपर में बहुत आता था. You are young children. Indian economy is facing V-shape recovery, K-shape recovery, A-shape recovery. अलग-अलग shape economics में. This is U shape. This is U shape. U shape का डालो इधर. ये देखो, इधर decrease होता है. This is minimum. Here it is increasing. There are 3 stages. U shape has 3 stages. कौन सा stages है? Beginning, decreasing. Cost कम होता है. Second, reaches the minimum. Third, rising or increasing. जो चाहिए वो देखो. Decreasing, minimum, rising. Everywhere you will remember this U shape. Now I am asking you another question. You are a producer. There are 3 stages: decreasing, minimum, and increasing. Think and give the answer. Which is best for you? I told you think. You are a producer. Beginning when cost is decreasing, it reaches the minimum, then it is increasing. Which is best for you? My question is very clear. Which is best? Give the answer. Wrong one पर देखेगा. Minimum. This is the best for you. तो मतलब circle करो. This is best. Doubt है अभी भी face में. Cost should be minimum. मैडम क्यों decrease आपने accept नहीं किया? Decreasing is good, but it is not minimum. Minimum is the best. I will never go to the 3rd stage. इधर जाएगा भी नहीं. Why? Cost is increasing. I'm not mad. I prefer that area. I'm just rubbing it off so that I will get the place to write. Producer will prefer the area where the cost is minimum. My dear children, you will have to remember is till you get a job. Cost should be minimum. That girl is not listening. Okay, so I am drawing it again. You don't have to draw. This is ABC. Producer will prefer this area where the cost is minimum. In the beginning, cost will decrease. Then it will reach the minimum. Then the cost will increase. I can give you so many examples. Like there is, I don't know, you might have seen it. Ghatkopar station, जाने का नहीं, station जाने के पहले. I'm talking about East में. We will just go towards the station. No need of going. There is a Sai Baba Mandir. उसके पहले there is a shop, प्रमाणिक करके, छोटा shop है, प्रमाणिक shop. देखने के लिए कुछ भी ऐसा एकदम attractive कुछ नहीं है. एक ही attraction है उधर. Always there will be people. So you can imagine there is प्रमाणिक shop. है ना, उसके अंदर क्या देता है? स्कूल के लिए जो चाहिए सब कुछ उधर मिलेगा. पेपर, पेंसिल, क्राफ्ट का जो चाहिए, साड़ी का जरी and all that stuff. Anything you tell, you will get it. Which is relating to the schools and ladies ka items. Everything will be available over there. Safety pin and all those things. That shop में अब देखने पर एकदम old shop है. अब देखो, their cost is minimum. Their cost is minimum. Their profit is maximum. दूसरा शॉप है एकदम एसी है, चकाचक. ओके, अच्छा तरह लाइट किया है, फॉल्स क्या है, फॉल्स सीलिंग किया है, क्या ब्यूटीफुल है मैडम. लेकिन कॉस्ट इज नॉट द मिनिमम। आप देखो एसी है, उधर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल कितना जाएगा एंड उसका मेंटेनेंस, सो द कॉस्ट इज हाई। दैट इज व्हाई वी आर लर्निंग द कॉस्ट। कॉस्ट हैज टू बी मिनिमम, डिक्रीजिंग ठीक है बट इट शुड बी मिनिमम। सो एबीसी का शेप क्या है? एबीसी इज यू शेप, बोलने का नहीं कल, ABC is U shape. Abhi we will go to AC. AC you can see here. AC ka very important is an equation. AC is equivalent to, I will come here and draw that because answer is same so that I can draw it here. AC is equivalent to, there are two formula, AFC plus ABC, दोनों में add किया. I did not do anything new. AFC plus ABC, this formula only you should use for the exam calculation के लिए. There is one more formula, or TC upon N, total cost upon N. But generally calculation may be use the first one. It is easy. You can use any one, but better to use the first one. This is AC. Average cost is equivalent to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. You understood? Now, same, it is also U-shape. Draw the diagram. अपने आप draw करो. वो x-axis इधर भी गया. I will draw them. कभी-कभी ना, this touch अपने mind से काम करेगा. Children, U-shape. Here change, name will be different. Earlier आपने ABC लिखा. Here you are writing AC. Get the pencil. Many are bringing like that, everybody, because economics when there are full of diagram, you have to bring the pencil. Again, you can see here there are three stages. Producer will prefer this. This is the best one. AC is the minimum. AC is the minimum. When AC is minimum, revenue will be maximum. लिखने का नहीं सुनने का. We are learning about cost here. When AC is minimum, revenue will be maximum. So the profit will be maximum. That is why every producer will try to minimize the cost. आप intelligent होने पर cost कम करेगा. That is what, suppose your daddy is having some business. You will ask daddy, daddy ये shop को ऐसा करो, लोग ऐसा आएगा. Daddy बोलेगा कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Because the cost has to be minimum. Cost में what is more important is people come to your shop when the quality is good, when your service is good. So the cost has to be minimum. Then you will see that profit is maximum. So always try to reduce the cost. You are reading in the newspaper and all that. अभी तो कोई जाता नहीं है. नहीं तो चौपती beach you are aware. अभी 2 साल से every shops are closed. Chowpatty beach में जुहू beach, जुहू चौपती. उधर तो there are so many shops are there which are selling pani puri and all that, pav bhaji and all that stuff. उधर जो पानी पूरी सेल करता है वो शॉप में, नॉर्मल शॉप में देखने के लिए उतना तो बहुत सारा शॉप है. 2-3 shops में there is a income tax rate. Income tax rate क्यों हुआ? Because their income is so high. They are earning lakhs of rupees per day. My dear children, I am not telling the story, the fact. Per day का income है 1 lakh रुपए. Okay, वो उधर से कौन जाएगा? वो चेंबूर स्टेशन के बाजू में वो येवले का टी का शॉप आया. येवले, boys are aware, girls को भी देखना चाहिए. एक बड़ा, that one image is that it will be standing about with the tea in the hand. Yevele. Yevele is originally from Pune. Yevele tea का इतना स्पेशलिटी है, उसके पास कुछ मसाला है वो किधर भी नहीं मिलेगा. इसलिए चेंबूर में कैसा मालूम पड़ेगा? वो शॉप के सामने क्यों होगा आपको? केवल टी का पर डे का टर्नओवर इज मोर देन लाख ऑफ रुपीस। क्या सेल करता है? ओनली टी, वो भी छोटा कप। ओके, पर डे टर्नओवर पुणे में देयर टर्नओवर इज मोर देन 1 लाख। मुंबई में आपको मालूम है लोग स्मार्ट है, केवल के जैसा बहुत सारा अभी चालू किया है, बट ओरिजिनल एवले में जो जाता है दे विल ड्रिंक ओनली दैट टी। 1 लाख पर डे मींस मंथली 30 lakhs है। आप देखो, लेकिन वो दुकान देखने के लिए 5 स्टार होटल के जैसा नहीं होगा। ओके, दूसरा एक होटल है, बड़ा होटल है, उधर पर डे का सेल्स होगा 10,000 रुपीज। सब कुछ दे आर सेलिंग, इवन देन द सेल्स विल बी 10,000। व्हाट इज द रीजन? मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट इतना ज्यादा है। आपको बैठने के लिए जगह चाहिए, रूम रेंट चाहिए, ओके, फैन चाहिए, एसी चाहिए, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड। ये तो एक छोटा 100 स्क्वायर फीट में केवल का दुकान कैन बी सेट अप। So what we are telling is you have to be very clever, especially boys and girls. Nowadays all are thinking of starting small business. So you have to think that madam ne bola hai cost has to be minimum. Cost kaisa minimum karega? Quality has to be best. And always you remember, whenever you start any small business, even selling the pickle or tiffin बेचता है XYZ, जो काम करता है beginning में आप कॉस्ट कम करो। जनरली क्या होता है, हम कॉस्ट ज्यादा करेगा then you will not be able to survive in the market. That is why they are teaching you the theory of cost. The average cost has to be minimum. आप boys and all, next time at least you will think whenever you are going toward the fourth side, city side, आप देखो एक ही गली में 100 दुकान होगा। एक ही गली में क्राफोर्ड मार्केट में जाकर देखो, टर्न करने पर आपके ऊपर एक दुकान है, उतना दुकान है, एक के अंदर एक। एवरीबडी इतना छोटा 100 स्क्वायर फीट ही होगा, लेकिन देयर बिजनेसेस आर रनिंग इनटू लैक्स। होलसेल बिजनेस है उधर, पूरा मुंबई पूरा महाराष्ट्र का उधर से जाता है। सो दे आर नोन एज होलसेल ट्रेडर्स। सो दुकान के लिए एसी लगाकर ओके एकदम लाइट सब करके पूरा खर्चा करने का, what is more important is the quality. To maintain the quality, your cost has to be minimum. Please remember that. That is why small shopkeepers are many times successful. Young people, they got an idea, madam. Whenever I see that shop, I think, आप देखा होगा, वो Just Dial का shop आप देखा है, चेंबूर में Just Dial, watches sell करते हैं ना, चेंबूर में देखो, स्टेशन रोड में है Just Dial, बड़ा शॉप है। जब whenever I see there, I cannot see even 2 people in that shop. इतना बड़ा शॉप है, घाटकोपर में भी है। रीजन क्या है? सब कॉस्टली वॉचेस है। ओके, मिनिमम स्टार्टिंग रेंज ही 5,000 से ऊपर जाएगा, 50,000, 1 लाख, 2 लाख, उधर कौन जाएगा? बट अब वो लोगों के एस्टेब्लिशमेंट कॉस्ट देखिए। इसलिए बोलते हैं बॉयज और गर्ल्स irrespective, whenever you see a shop, whenever you enter a shop, you think मैडम बोला इधर कुछ याद करने का है। आपको ये याद करना पड़ेगा मैडम इसका कॉस्ट कितना होगा एंड बिजनेस कितना होता है। And you see that there are so many people who are selling, idli and sandwiches in the roadside. They are having good business because establishment है ही नहीं। एक साइकिल में लेके जाने का, रोड में किधर भी खड़ा रहने का। So in the beginning, always you will be very careful. You will reduce the cost. So हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा आज? What is the shape of AFC? Time हो गया। AFC is what? AFC U shape वाले पर मारेगा मैं। हाँ, AFC कैसा ड्रॉ करेगा? Downward sloping. ABC कैसा शेप है? U shape, बराबर। Then AC, U shape. MC next day लेगा। MC is also U shape only, but MC थोड़ा different है. So we have to teach you say ना। ऑनलाइन बच्चे लोग कैसा है? How are you people?